Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to access to microphone to mobile and mic not working problem. So first of all, if you're uh, using a iOS, you can fix the unable to access microphone error on Roblox by going to your settings and allowing the Roblox app to use your microphone. If the microphone option is turned off, then Roblox voice can't chat won't work properly. Fortunately, this setting can be changed instantly. So if you use an iOS device, you have to open the settings app and scroll to the bottom and select apps, and after that you have to select Roblox and turn on the microphone option and close and reopen the Microsoft Roblox app. And if the option that will enable the microphone, of course, and if the option to give microphone access to my Roblox is already enabled, and you will need to turn it off and back on. Additionally, you will need to close and reopen Roblox to ensure the change of setting is applied. For iPad and iPhone, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then swipe up on Roblox to close the app. So that's how you can fix unable to access microphone on Roblox Mobile. So see you on the next video.